I really wanted to take a moment to share some thoughts and ideas of how you can be more eco friendly in your daily life. It's easier than you think, and a small change can make a big impact on the environment. Let's start with the recycling. The first idea and most effective way to reduce waste. The first one, it's important to know what can be recycled and what cannot. You can start separating your trash in paper, plastic, and organic, and throw away in the correct container. If you separate correctly, you will help save natural resources. If you try to reduce plastic, for example, using reusable shopping bag instead of single-use plastic bags. Or if you use a reusable water bottle, you won't need to buy plastic bottle every day. Therefore, if more people stop using plastic, we will have less pollution in the oceans. The plastic that ends up in oceans, rivers, or landfills can take hundreds of years to decompose. This is very important because marine animals such as fish, turtles, and birds mistakes plastics for food. So if we reduce plastic pollutions, animals will live in a safer environment and the planet will be much cleaner. Moreover, our beaches and parks looks better. Thus, if we start reducing plastics today, we will create a better future. And if everyone did their part, the world will be a cleaner and healthier place. Something similar happens with the paper. Millions of trees are cut down along the year, and this fact is having an influence in our environment and climate change. The trees also help to keep our air clean and our ecosystem healthy. They provide habitats for all sorts of insects, birds, and other animals, and provide wood for making paper. Trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide and release those things into the air. If we continue cutting down trees, many ecosystems are likely to disappear and probably many species of animals will go extinction. Energy is another important topic. Think about it. If you turn off lights when you leave a room, you will save electricity. Or if you use LED bulbs, you will consume less energy and save money. If people have been more careful with energy years ago, we wouldn't have so many environmental problems today. The main problem in the big cities uh, is the pollution produced by not modern cars or using too much the car as a way to get everywhere. If you use the public transport, you will also reduce the emissions and you will produce much less pollution than with a traditional car. Traveling or driving car will make your carbon footprint bigger. For example, you can copy that I do. I carpool to work with two of my neighbors every day. Finally, if you buy fewer things, you will create less waste. So try to buy only what you really need. You could recycle things instead of throwing them away. Remember, we can do small actions, with a big impact in our future.